I'm never going back to Coyote's Lounge in Nelspruit ever again. I am never going back to Coyote's Lounge in Nelspruit ever again. Me and my friends this weekend went out on a Saturday. I think we got there around past 9 or so. We get there, the place is packed. So we're sitting on the other side. We buy our drinks. We went straight to the counter. I bought the first round and we went to the other side. Then, good man. Omo dive and Omondo is just here on you. I'm like, guys, I'm not feeling this. I don't feel comfortable this side. I since any plan, go to Sukono pants and getting away with VIP. Obviously, VIP needs a bottle type of vibes. Sharp, we make a plan. We get into VIP, slala my couch in. It's just the five of us. So we're sitting there dancing, blah, 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 in the VIP. Then while we're there, some guy and some girls come and sit in the VIP. Obviously, they share. We're sitting by the L couch next to the stage. They're sitting by the L couch. Anyway, we're not having our own business. We have our beers there. And lo ukuthi bazongibuza ka 500 mangise VIP petty black ukuthi hayibo i-black label ayiphuzwa la hey nginebhodlela lapha. I am allowed to be here. I drink black label whether I'm at VIP or not. Anywho, that's another that's stupid by the way. Anywho, that's another thing. So we're sitting there with our buckets and the bottle. We're drinking. Mina Vele and Shayamans Neplegi. We're all drinking. These girls next to us, they're not drinking. I look at my friend. I'm like, and this is weird. Bang getting VIP and about pause, thinking maybe they're gonna share the bottle with the guy that bought a bottle because bang getting a guy and a guy bought a bottle. Mara say about what's the bottle and until ting for show. It's not really for anything, you know. Like weird. We carry on with our lives, but we're getting very rowdy and drunk. And I'm trying to get everybody to drink water because soy is using our own cars. I'm just scared with tea. I wonder who's gonna save you, who's gonna drive home. We all have to drive our own cars. Anyway, so while I'm there, I have my keys, my car keys in my bag. I have my friend's keys in my bag. I have my wallet and I have my cell phone in my bag. Ne? So it's getting dodgy, man. I notice this girls and I to be a scouty. I'm just like, I'm not feeling this vibe anymore. I tell my friends, they insist to go buy another round where we sit down. I insist to know, guys, I'm not feeling this vibe. I really want to go home. Let's leave from this place. I'm not feeling comfortable. It's just dodgy. The next day I regretted the alcohol that we left there because of what the fuck. But I didn't feel safe and I just wanted to be out of there. So we leave. While we go outside, my friend tries to get in his car. He opens it, he starts to I start. Not even touching, nothing, like literally nothing. He does this, nothing happens at all. He's panicking. He starts asking the people that are standing around the cars, hey, and bonanga luto, their mice is high, we didn't see anything. Then he's like, guys, my chance and like, if please dog, like, help me out here. Then one of the guy walks close to the car, does something, walks away. All of a sudden, we don't want to question. We are grateful. We all start cars. We move the fuck away from there. While I'm driving, my phone vibrates. I think it vibrated twice or so. They didn't pay your phone. I was thinking it's maybe one of the friends that are driving behind us wanting to talk to us or something. Vibrates, check the phone. It's somebody is using my card at Coyotes at the bar. That was around Coyotes 2:15. That was around 10 to 3. Making weird. Anyway, like I said, I swiped the first time, so I'm thinking they cloned my card or somebody. I don't know how it works because by tap it 3 times, and usually at the machine when you use your card to tap, it will tap the first time, then the second time it's gonna say you can't use the same card on the same machine, blah blah blah. That's my knowledge. I've worked at point of sale before. That's how I know it. But anyway, so I keep at the last 100 rand, and this person carried on to tap 3 more times. It kept saying insufficient. So it was insufficient, 100 rand, 100 rand, 100 rand. I moved the last 100 rand and then insufficient. Anyway, they got 300 rand. I'm pissed. I'm not even aware right now what's your wallet. It's a card. We drive, be on our way, go home. So when we got home, we talk about, that was so funny. And then how did they clone my card? Or did I take out my card? But I'm not checking my bag with Angena wallet, guys. I think the next day after 2-3 o'clock in we want to go out and get more drinks. I want to get my bag to check my wallet. I open my bag. Boom. Your wallet are you? I'm asking my friend, hey, what's up, one? Then that's when I noticed, shit, they took the whole fucking wallet. My money was in there. I think I had like 500 rand cash. But the reason that the previous night I didn't think the wallet was taken, because in the bag, like I said, there were 2 car keys. There was my cell phone. There was my wallet. What are the odds that usually bantu mabavula ibhegi? That's what they take. Cell phone, car keys, you know what I mean? What are the odds that they will go for my wallet? And I noticed I have those small portable wallets. So maybe mavula, that's the first thing. So it didn't see all the other things. Baboni wallet, that could be the reason. Anyway, so I'm annoyed. I even call Coyotes to check lost and found because there's a lot of things in the card. My IDs in there, my clothing shop cards, and I don't care if the money's gone. But against the ID, guys, and now spread. I just checked now trying to make an appointment. There is no way to make an appointment. They are full. Like my ID, guys, my ID. Thank God my driver stays in the car. With those things. But anyway. Yeah, so I am not happy with Coyotes at all. I called, they lost and found. Nothing happened. And later I realized that my other bank card was also swiped insufficient fund. So now that we look back, me and friend, we realized that it was the girls that we're sitting with. The guy that was sitting there was Doji. They were scouting, and the girls that were here didn't come for Uxela or anything. They came to scout. So if you go out to Coyotes Lounge, watch yourself. I mean, personally, I'm not going back there anymore. I mean, I felt comfortable in the VIP, but clearly it means nothing. And the fact that Wutsiba swipe at the counter with my card, both cards at the same freaking time. I checked the time. The one card they swiped 3 times insufficient fund. It was at 0248. The one where they got their 100 rands, it was at 0250. But swipe 7 times 0250. The other one was swipe 3 times at 02 58. How's the barman seeing that and keeping quiet? And Tina said, pulling up a 2:15, and it was done at 10:02. So anyway, I'm just saying I'm not going back to Coyotes Lounge. No matter what, I am so done. I'm disappointed. And yeah, when you go to Coyotes Lounge, watch yourself. Okay? Why did I make this? Oh yeah.
Nendani lapha eNelspruit. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisisi la ukhuluma indzaba lemindekile ngalesikhana lapha eNelspruit eCoyotes Lounge ke sana. So uyasho nje ukuthi bamtshontshela iwallet yakhe imuntu emngane wakhe bengasafuni ngisho nokustarta bekukuningi nje uthi mabahleli laphana. There was a group of people nje nalebe babonakala ukuthi they look strange. Babona nabo ukuthi ayibo, let us just go because lokwenteka lana asak-understand ke sana. So uyasho nje ukuthi ngeke aphinze yena ubeke umqondo wakhe olapha eCoyotes uthi never and never again. Because what people are saying ukuthi akavula icase, some are saying ukuthi akahamba yokuqela kubuka camera, if akhona ama-camera eCoyotes, I'm not sure. Ebuka ama-camera abone ukuthi intshontsho ngibani wallet yakhe, what really happened. Because hayibo muntu soyaswiper uqeza kusuka nje wena yena so utenda amswipeni. This shows ukuthi bantu etshwaleni labanye bayela nje kwenda bugebengu. Umuntu akayeli nje kunatha, wela nje kwenda bugebengu abuke ukuthi ngidontshontshela abani ngitoyindani. Because this is so sad. Umuntu ucetha kusuka wona so yaswipe ngelikhadi lakhe kanjani and it's a good thing ukuthi lenye imali ukhona leshem lo sesikokuthi ayikhiphe athi makaswipe lo muntu loku ithi imali idolo lo. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.